bad food habits, high levels of stress, imbalanced nutrition intake, lack of calcium and protein, weight issues. Introducing Genes Zen Complete, a delicious way to get your daily protein needs and to support a healthy, active lifestyle. Poor eating habits and stress results in lack of nutrition, weight gain or weight loss, and often imbalanced food intake. Genes Zen Complete is fully vegetarian and contains soy protein isolate, whey protein concentrate, and micellar casein as protein sources. It can be consumed by all adults. The protein supplement will help you maintain body weight and mass, helping in keeping you fit as per recommended dietary regime by our expert nutritionist. Zen Complete contains the highest source of protein, contains naturally occurring amino acids needed for growth, great source of polyunsaturated fatty acids, an antioxidant that is vital to overall health, and different types of vitamins and minerals enable several healthy body functions. Zen Complete, a delicious way to support a healthy, active lifestyle.